Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock any folder or files in your Windows machine. I will show you the simplest way to lock your folder or file in your Windows 11 or 10 because it will work on both Windows and it can be Windows 11 or 10. Okay, so let's get start the video. Here you can see I have already installed a software that is NB Locker. I will give this download link in the description so you can download this from here, and it's about 40 megabyte exe file. So after I install this software, just open it. After that you will see a page like this. Here just create a password for your locker. So I'm gonna type here password. Type this password twice. After that you have to type here your email address. If you forget your lock, then it will help you to recover your password through this email address. Okay, so after put email address, click on OK. Now you don't need to set here anything. You can change your lock password from here. Okay, first of all let me show you my folder or files, which one I want to lock. Here you can see there is a folder named optional. If I open it, you can see there are two files available. Suppose I want to lock these two files. So what I have to do, just open NB Locker and here click on add. After that choose these two files from your PC. Okay, just select these two files and click on open. That's it. Now let me check my folder. Here you can see these two files are not showing in my folder. If you don't want to hide it and you just want to lock it, then again go to the NB Locker and select these two files and here click on unprotect. Then here select just lock option. Now let me check my folder. As you can see now these two files are showing here. But if I try to open any of this, as you can see I am unable to do it. So for unlock these files, just go to the NB Locker and here select these two files, and here below you can see there is a remove option. So just click on it. Now let's check is this unlocked or not. If I try to open, you can see these files are unlocked. If you want to lock all folder, what you need to do, let's open NB Locker and here click on add. From here find out your folder, and you have to do is just one click on this folder and click on open. As you can see this folder is hidden from our PC. So friend, like this way you can hide, unhide and lock any of the folder from your PC. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more this type of important video. Thanks for watching this video.